friends, it's Lisa Jones with 31 with another product spotlight for you. This is our Organizing Shoulder Bag Limited, and this is on our Chestnut Distressed Pebble. And I'm going to bring this in really close so you can kind of see this. This reminds me of the 80s, I'm dating myself here, bomber jacket. So it's a brown, but it's got varying shades of brown throughout here. So it's a really pretty neutral fabric. So this is a crossbody style, but you can shorten the strap and carry it just as a regular shoulder bag, or you can totally lengthen this strap, and I'm not going to make you watch me do that, but it can be a crossbody. What I love about this style is you do have a hidden cell phone pocket on one side, and then you do have a front. This whole front is a pocket, and this is in our faux leather fabric, so it's a little bit upgraded fabric. There is a zipper compartment here. And then on the inside of this, you do have a zipper pocket and two flat pockets. So this is totally big enough to drop your All About the Benjamin wallet in here, throw in a Ruby Mini, throw your keys and other essentials. And this is a super cute crossbody style purse.